As corporate counsel, you're juggling fiduciary fire drills, SEC filings, board audits, risk gaps, all while drowning in manual workflows. Our corporate governance pack automates compliance with dynamic roadmaps aligned to SOX and Dodd-Frank, generates board agendas with AI-driven discussion prompts, maps risk exposure using NLP-powered heat maps, and deploys breach prevention playbooks for director liability scenarios. This is for in-house legal teams, compliance officers, board secretaries, and risk managers who need technical rigor without the spreadsheet chaos. Let's face it, you didn't go to law school to play Excel Tetris. Here's what's inside the Corporate Governance Pack. Phase 1. Automated compliance roadmap generation with regulatory tracking for 150 plus jurisdictions. Phase 2. Board meeting templates pre-populated with ESG disclosure prompts. Phase 3. Real-time risk dashboards visualizing litigation exposure and director conflicts. Phase 4. Fiduciary breach simulations with scenario planning for M&A transactions. Phase 5. SEC filing checklists with automated disclosure gap analysis. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists, and it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. Governance has never been this plug and play. Installing the Corporate Governance Pack takes one command. npx quanta-skills add Corporate Governance Pack. That's it. You'll download 200 plus governance workflows, pre-built board meeting scripts, and risk assessment frameworks. Your next Claude Code session automatically integrates fiduciary duty protocols into your drafts. Your AI assistant now understands terms like duty of loyalty and caremark claims. No PhD in DevOps required, though we'd still recommend keeping your bar license handy. Governance excellence starts with a single terminal command.